Hello, YouTube friends and family. If you caught my shorts when I was at Big Lots this past weekend for the 20% friends and family event, I hope you all made it. Because I really enjoyed myself. I saw a lot of nice things. I didn't buy everything. But that was the time for the big pretty pots for your garden or for your landscape setup. The garden supplies, garden decor, patio furniture. That was the time to be at Big Lots if you are in the market for those things. But I'm sharing my little haul because we have already started eating this. So I actually even got empty boxes. So we've partaken of a few of these things, but I'll show you some. So we already ate this box of zebra cakes, Little Debbie's. I think they were 20% off the $2.79. So we ate those. I saw those and went in. You know what happened when you go to the store hungry. Now this, if you're making gift baskets or Mother's Day baskets, these are good. But as you can see, we are already partaking. They are tiny. They are so little. They are so little. And there's not much in here, but they are so tasty. They are so good. So these won't last another day in here. Maybe 2 days. Maybe 2 days. Good time to pick up some Oreos. They were $3.49, but after the 20% off, that made them less than $3 for a family size Oreo. Like $2.80 for Oreos. I probably really should have got some more. But no, I shouldn't have, because those will be gone. Only because he may not be here this weekend. Will they last maybe through the weekend? Maybe. Once they're in the cookie jar, they disappear. We know. We got teenagers. So, this was $5.99, I believe. Or $9.99 or something like that with 20% off. Let me see. Headphones. Because they didn't have the price tag on them, and I had to ask. And they were $9.99, 20% off. And I need these for listening to books when I'm out in the garden. And I keep having bad luck with Bluetooth. Maybe because I keep buying cheap Bluetooth. I want to be able to plug in again, but none of these phones today plug in. I was hard pressed enough to find a phone that take a memory card still. It's getting that bad. They want to sell it. They want you on a monthly membership for everything in your life. But stocked up on Dr. Teal's. This particular scent was on sale for $3.99. Because Dr. Teal's right now is almost $6. So I bought 2 of the cheaper ones. And again, I told in my short that if you have a Bank of America debit or credit, you go online, log into your account, and under Bank of America deals, as long as you use that card to pay for something, you get cash back of 5%. So in my mind, I'm like everything 25% off. So that's another reason I made it to this sale. So I bought 2 of those, and at 25% off, they were $3 back in my mind. So I did get these 2. You know I'm a fan. And I think I was down to 1 like body wash of these. So they were $5.89 originally. And then another thing I had to already open is this. Chargers are hard to come by. Lightning chargers. I've been on the struggle bus with chargers. So I finally got one, and it was $5. And it works. It's lightning. I had to go ahead and open it the other day because my phone wasn't charging with anything I had. I said it was right on time. So another thing I had to open. So I bought one of these in my last haul, but I figure they are a good quick thing to have. So I went on and bought another one, because with this you can pretty much randomly fertilize once a month, once every 2 weeks, or however you need to. And I've used one, and because my plants were dry and drooping, so I used one of these and they perked up by the next day, and they're back to life again. And I kind of like having these. One per whole watering can. 50 of them, 48 of them won't last long. So, earthworm castings at the 25. And actually, these were, let me tell you, these were $11.99. So that made them, what, like $4 off. So that was very much worth it. This was $6.99, but again, that made it less than Walmart or anybody else with the discounts. So I bought an extra bag of this. Never can have too much of this, and I just throw that in the pots every now and then. It feeds the plants, or I amend my soil with it when I'm about to plant. So, okay, so here, I actually got a lot of bags. I spent a total of $116 with tax, and we're at 7.5% sales tax here in good old Florida. So I found, and what made me get this, spotlights, solar spotlights, and the fact that they are 60 lumens, and they were $12.99 each. So, you know, after the discount, they were like under 10 for 60 lumens. So these should be bright. And you can either mount them on the wall, mount them to a surface, but I'm not doing that. I'm sticking them in the ground. But it's a way to mount them to a surface or stick them in the ground. So I'm excited about those. Hope they work and they give off all 60 of them lumens. Because I want some bright lights that I don't have to pay for. They be tripping over here. So I saw this and I thought it was very interesting. So we say we do everything for these gardens. So they are fast start tablets. Improved transplant success guaranteed. So you throw one of these in the hole when your transplant starts and things like that. And it doesn't say for just plants, but it's slow release food. And I'm sure it works for anything. It doesn't say food or vegetables or anything, so I'm sure it just works for everything. It's all purpose. But I thought this was something good to have, and it's 20 of them. Add to the garden collection. So they also had Easter clearance. And I may decorate a little bit next year for Easter. So these were like $1 and change a piece. And they're so cute to add to the decor. So I got those two. And they were originally $7.99, but they were like $1 and something a piece. Let me see. Because I had to ask her. So they were 75% off. Plus, so I got both of those for $3.18 plus my 5% off later. So basically $3 for two. And what I had to go for. Now this is what I had to go for. If you caught my last haul, you would see that I bought these. And then I got home and noticed they were dinner plates. Dinner plates mean the flowers are as big as a baby's face, a toddler's face, or even your face. So that's going to give up a beautiful show. And then it says 1. How about I open that pack? Because those are already planted. The ones I bought before are already planted. I planted those out Saturday. It's now Tuesday. So we'll know. I'll do a garden update and we'll see if they actually sprouted. But they had 3 roots in the package. I was like, score! I'm happy. But I want more. And this is a perennial. So when I say I want my yard set up to pop up in spring with minimal effort and say, hey girl, it's spring. Come on out here. I want it to tell me it's spring. And I want the stuff to come up on its own. So, not only, so this is the color I bought last time. But are y'all ready? Y'all ready? I was all through that box. I want multiples of these. I want them to be big and beautiful every freaking year from now on. So we got this color. Bam! Look at that beauty. Oh my gosh. They are dinner plates too. I was checking the packages. Even if it wasn't multiples. These things so beautiful. That, look. I'll pay $3.99 if it's one. And with the $25% off, I'm technically paying $3. So I'm getting these for like $1 a root if it's 3 in the pack. So I got 1, I got 2, 3, another one of these. Then, I don't know why I make such a mess. It's another bag, y'all. So I got another color. Y'all ready? I got a second one of these. And y'all ready for the other color? Bam! Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. I can't wait. I can't wait to see these. Y'all know y'all gonna see them too in shorts and things. So subscribe to the channel so you'll get them alerts. Maybe it'll brighten your day. I cannot wait to see these gorgeous. Absolutely fabulous. So I bought 3 of these. Absolutely fabulous flowers. Now I may give one of each to my aunt, but it's most of these are mine. Oh yeah, I'm ready. And then I bought Dollar Tree gladiolas, do work, but they don't always have. I got it for that orange. We can get pink. Oh, didn't mean to shoot that at you. Then we can get pink sometime at the Dollar Tree, but we can get white all the time. Some yellow, but I've never really seen orange at the Dollar Tree. So I'm hoping I get some oranges up in here. And I'm going to put them in a little cluster. Because now looking at this picture, they are clustered. And that'll help them stand on their own and give a good show. So I'm going to actually drop these in a section too. Or in a pot. I hadn't decided. But I wanted some more colors. Because I got red out there. I got white out there. I want to say I do have yellow. I may not have a lot of pink. But I wanted to add that to the collection. And again, gladiolas, they were blooming in the wintertime. They were so confused. I was seeing them in October, November. Like, ooh, I forgot one was over there. I was seeing them all times a year. So they confused, just as confused as we are. But hopefully they'll show up in spring like they supposed to. I have a bunch of them already showing up out there. And I'm going to add to the collection. And they're going to come up on their own. Very little effort. You don't even really have to fertilize them once they're there. If they come up year 1, they're going to come up continuously afterwards. You don't even, in my zone, you don't even have to remove them. Just kind of remember where you planted them so you don't plant something else there. And I thought I had an Asiatic lily again, but I don't see them. I could have swore I bought some more Asiatic lilies, but apparently I didn't. But that is it for the Big Lots garden haul, because most of that was for the garden. 90% of that. And in my garden tour, you'll see the pots that I probably didn't share, because when I break pots, I leave them in the garage, and they are huge, but I kind of got a good little setup going on out there. You'll see my home good pots, but I still got a plant in those. So some of these bulbs may go in the pots, some of them may go in the ground, but it's going to be a show. Y'all going to be popping in the HOA, trying to win Yard of the Month. I should. It's only a $25 gift card, but hey, just to display that sign and have, have a pretty yard in the neighborhood. It'll be a nice feeling. Your efforts will not be in vain. So I hope you like this video. I hope you're prepping and praying and have those yards ready for spring, because you see I'm sweating. It's summer here. It's almost 80 degrees here. It's getting hot over here. But prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Thank you so much for watching. I love you to life. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.